It's Avatar Nick here. Today I've got a warts and all solution to getting consistent characters in Runway 4. That's easy, I hear you say. Well, it is, unless you want more than 3 characters. Let's dive in. For your first 3 characters, it's easy. You just generate an image or upload a still and put that in as your reference image and you'll get pretty nice consistent characters. The trouble is you can only use 3 reference images. So if you want a scene with a 4th consistent character, you've got a problem. Here's how you get around it. First up, generate an image of your 4th character and download it. Next, upload it into an LLM. I used Copilot here, but ChatGPT works pretty well too. I've not had a lot of success with Gemini. Next, write a prompt, and that prompt wants to tell the LLM to describe the character in a way that can be used as a prompt to generate more consistent characters. And there you have it, a really detailed, useful prompt, which I can cut and paste into Runway. I'm not finished yet though. I've got to build a master prompt. First of all, I'm going to select the reference images of the first 3 characters. I'm then going to tag them in the prompt and describe what they're doing. And I'm going to say they're doing it with Josh, the name I've given to this character. And then I'm going to add the description of Josh. I'm going to edit that down into a usable paragraph. And I'm going to describe the rest of the scene, what all the characters are wearing, and what the weather's like. Copilot described Josh's clothes, but obviously that was going to change between scenes. It's the facial features, racial features, age, things like that that need to be consistent. And I'm going to be honest, it's a little bit disappointing, isn't it? He doesn't look much like the reference image. But if I cut and paste the description of Josh from the original prompt into another prompt where all the characters are on a beach, we've now got 3 images of Josh. They're not consistent with the original image, but they're kind of consistent with each other. It doesn't help that they're all really darkly lit. But if you are happy with them, you can create now a consistent 4th character. You do, of course, have the option to go back and tweak the prompt, change some things about the character to make him more to your liking and generate a consistent character that way. But I hope this was useful and I hope it's shown you that although there's a 3 character limit on the reference images, you can introduce a 4th fairly consistent character on Runway. I hope that was useful. That's it for this week. I'll be back soon with some more AI tips. In the meantime, please like and subscribe. It makes such a difference. Speak to you soon. Bye.